Welcome back everyone. Today's video is less of a recipe and more of just a demonstration on another way to use your Luvele Vibe Blender at home. I'm going to show you how you can chop vegetables in the Vibe Blender, saving you a little bit of prep time in the kitchen. You might not have a food processor at home, or maybe just can't be bothered getting it out of the cupboard, but you might have your Vibe Blender set up, and that's great because you can still chop vegetables really fine, really quickly using this machine. This method is ideal for when you're making soups, sauces, stews and casseroles. You get a really nice fine dice. It's also perfect for being able to hide some extra veg in your kids' food. I'm going to chop up 4 different vegetables today, but if you want some more information and other tips and tricks on other vegetables, then check out the blog post. There's some great info on there. So I've got some carrots, some red cabbage, some zucchinis and some celery, and all you need to do to prepare is to obviously wash them. We're going to peel the carrots, and because I'm going to feed them through the lid of the blender jug, I'm just going to cut them into chunks that are small enough to get through. So I'm going to start with the carrot, and I'm going to set the machine to nut mode and turn the speed down to the lowest setting. Turn the machine on, and then you can start feeding the vegetable through the cap. Add your first piece, and then when you hear the blades run quiet, you can add your second piece, and so on. Don't chop too many vegetables at once or you'll risk turning it into a puree. Instead, do them in small batches. So that's the carrot. It took no time at all. The chop is really nice and fine and consistent. Let's move on to the celery. Again, turn the machine on and feed the pieces through the lid. There's no need to clean out the jug in between vegetables. So here's the celery. This is going to melt into any meal and the kids won't even notice it's there. Let's move on to the zucchini. Here's the zucchini, perfect for soups or even for your baking. Lastly, we're going to do some cabbage. Here's the red cabbage, perfect for coleslaw and other salads. So there's our vegetable chopping demonstration for you, and another great way to use your Luvele Vibe Blender at home. I'm going to turn this into a soup now, which is going to be great. I hope you give this one a go at home. Let us know what kind of vegetables you're chopping and what you're going to do with them in the comments section below. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe. We want to make sure that you have access to all of our Luvele life recipes. Give the video a like if you enjoyed this one today, and we look forward to bringing you another video soon.